Hello and welcome. My name is Amul and you are watching Ease Coding. In this video I'm going to show you how you can install MySQL Server on your Debian and Ubuntu distros. So let's get started. Here we go. So this is a Debian 12 release on my laptop, and so there has been some change on MySQL installation page, and the MySQL Server apt command is not available on Ubuntu and Debian or Linux Mint, so we will have to do it manually. Okay, so what I've done, I've simplified all the steps in one script that is going to be very simple for you. So simply go ahead and see, this is the script. I'll leave this link in the description, so you can simply go ahead and follow, copy paste and save it on your system and run the script, and this should work. If there is any problem, you can simply leave in the comment and we will fix it. So MySQL is not installed. You can see cannot connect local server through socket. So we'll go ahead and install it with sudo command. You simply say bash, and this is what we have: install mysql.sh, and this will go ahead and do everything for you. So here we go. What it's doing is basically, on your system it might not be selected. So MySQL Server and cluster currently selected MySQL 8, connector currently selected enable. If it is not, you simply go ahead and select one by one and press enter, and here you can select what you want. So at the moment this doesn't work, LTS doesn't work, it is not available. This works. Okay, you can try one by one. So once you have selected, go ahead and press tab key and say OK, and this will be selected right here on the cell. You can see it here. If it is LTS, you will see it says MySQL 8 LTS. Scroll down, so go down, select this one and press enter, and here you can select enable, disable, and then press OK. You can press it OK, and once you are happy with these two, you can simply go ahead and say OK. I'm using arrow buttons here, and this should go ahead and do the job for you. So it's again going to basically update it. Now we are going to require to enter the password. Password, and again use strong password recommended. This is completely up to you. I'm going to press tab and say OK, and this should start. So it's going to start MySQL Common, setting up MySQL Common client, community server, community client, and also it's going to set up everything for you. Still there is a chance it might not work. Your system may have different configuration. So you can see this server is already running. You can see everything is enabled and it's active and running. This is community server. So MySQL community server, MySQL installation configuration completed successfully. That's awesome. Now let's go ahead and clear the screen, and now I can log in. Password, right, and here we are. Here we go. So that's what we have. Thank you so much for watching. Bye for now.